Hello friends, in the series of learning C++ programming language, in previous session we have discussed about what is exactly C++ and what is the history of C++ language. In this session we will talk about features of C++ one by one. Okay, the first thing, you already know that C++ is an object oriented language. The C++ is having all the features of object orientation like class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, dynamic binding, message passing, everything. Okay, that's why C++ is a object oriented language. C++ is an object oriented language means it is not like that we cannot develop programs using that procedure oriented approach in C++. It is not like that. Means C++ is actually a multi-paradigm language. We can develop procedure oriented programs using C++, again object oriented programs means we can use any style. Whatever procedure oriented programming style we use in C language, the same style we can use again in C++. Means without classes, without object orientation, again we can write program in C++ language just like C. But the most important feature which is added in C, that is object orientation. That's why we have to say that C++ is an object oriented language. Okay. Now the next thing is extension to C language. We can say that it is a superset of C language. Means all the features what are present in C language are still present in the C++, and some additional features are there. So we can say that it is a superset of C, or it is an extension to C language. Now the third point is very much important. Again we have already discussed in the previous session that C++ is a general purpose language. General purpose means we can develop any type of application by using this C++ language. This is a general purpose language. Means we can develop system softwares just like whatever we have discussed in that C language. C language we can use to develop system softwares. The C++ is just an extension to C language. Whatever we can do using that C language, we can do using C++ also. Okay, that's why we can write system software, or we can develop system software with the help of this C++, like we can develop operating system, device drivers, language translators. Okay, again we can develop high level applications like application programs using this C++. Means we can develop any game, then database applications we can develop. That Mozilla Firefox, that browser is totally developed using C++ language. Okay, means web applications we can develop. Then we can develop any management system like institute management system, hospital management system with the help of this C++ only. Means any type of application you can develop by using this C++ language. That's why C++ is called as a general purpose programming language. Okay. Now the next one is compiled. Compiled language means, see here, compiler is used as a language translator. Why language translators are needed? See we are writing programs using C++ language, that is just a source code, and that C++ language cannot be directly understood by computer system. Okay, computer knows only binary language in 1-0 format, machine language, and we are writing program using C++ language. C++ instructions are not understandable to the machine directly. For that we have to convert that C++ language source code into machine language, and that conversion will be done by language translator. There are basically two types of language translators used, like compiler and interpreter, but here compiler will be used as a language translator. Okay, and that's why C++ is called as a compiled language. Actually that Python or Java, those are using interpreter. Means actually Java is using compiler as well as interpreter. Python is using interpreter. Those are interpreted language, and the execution of those language programs is slow as compared with this C++. C++ is faster in execution. Okay, execution is fast as compared with that Java or Python. Getting? Now the next one is C++. Here it is a statically typed language. What is statically typed? Or you can say that strongly typed. If you are writing program in C++, then I want to do addition of two numbers, then I'll write like this: integer a comma b, just like C. Okay, integer a comma b, then one more variable we will declare here: C, a equals to let 5, b equals to let 7, and we'll write like C equals to a plus b. In this way we have to write in C++, whatever we have seen in C language, the same thing is here also. Means this a, b, c, three variables we are using here in these instructions, and data type of that a, b, c we have mentioned here like integer. Means this declaration, we are declaring here variables. This declaration is compulsory, means whatever you are using inside program, that should be declared first, then only you can use it. That's why C++ is a statically or strongly typed language. Everything we have to declare before its use. See, in Python we can skip this and we can write only these three statements. It is okay because language will do itself this thing. But in C++, in Java, in C, we have to do ourselves. Okay, this declaration. This is compulsory. That's why C++ is a statically or strongly typed language. The next thing is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive means capital letters and small letters. There is a distinction in between that. Okay, means capital letter, if you are declaring this small a variable in this way, small a, then you have to compulsory use like this small a. You cannot use capital A for specifying this a here. Okay, means capital and small both are considered as a different. Getting this? That's why C is a case sensitive language. Again, all the built-in keywords, built-in functions, those are all in small case letters. Means built-in keyword, there is one built-in keyword like for. Okay, in loop we use this for keyword. Again, one more class concept is there. That's why we have to declare class, and for that we have to use this class keyword. Here you cannot use capital case. Here you cannot use capital case. It should be compulsory in small case. That is defined by the language, and it is a case sensitive language. That's why you have to compulsory follow the rules. The next one is, one more thing is, it is a middle level language. Now middle level means what? C can be used to develop low level system programs as well as high level application programs. See, that pointer concept we have seen in C language, that is again present in this C++, that pointer concept. Okay, means we can fetch a memory location with the help of this pointer concept, what are present in this C++, extracted from that C language. Okay, and that's why we can develop low level system programs, like we can develop operating system, device driver, that everything we have discussed in this general purpose language. And again, high level programs also we can develop, means it is having functionality of both low level as well as high level. That's why C++ is called as a middle level language. Okay, and this pointer concept is present in the C++ language as a next point you can write. Getting? Now one more point is there, that is a C++ is a portable language. Portability means what? Portable means if you have written program in this C++ language on any one machine, you can compile it, and whatever executable file you can directly run on any other machine. But here keep in mind that both the machines should have same operating system, then only it is allowed. Okay, if both the machines are having same operating system, then only you can do this. Portability will be achieved if both the machines are having same operating system. Means write program on any machine and you can transfer that program, you can execute that program on any other machine, but there is one restriction that both the machines should have same operating system. That's why we can say that C++ is a machine independent, means machine may be of any type. Okay, but both machines should have same operating system. That's why we can say that it is a machine independent. But it is platform dependent. Platform is operating system. Means suppose we have written any C++ program on a machine having Windows operating system, and that we want to run on any other machine having like let Linux operating system, not possible. That's why we cannot say that it is a platform independent language, it is a platform dependent language. Getting, but machine independent. These are all features of C++. Again, I am repeating, C++ is an object-oriented language. It is having all the features of OOPs like classes, object, inheritance. Then it is a superset of C because actually C++ is derived from C language. Only whatever features, object-oriented features are added inside that. That's why we can say that it is a superset of C or extension to C language. The next one, it is a general purpose language because we can develop any type of application. Then it is a compiled language because it is having compiler as a language translator, and that's why execution is fast as compared with languages like Java or Python, those who are using that interpreter as a language translator. Then it is a statically or strongly typed language. Whatever you are using inside a program, that should be declared first, then only you can use it. The next one is case sensitive, of course, capital and small case, there is a distinction. And then middle level language because we can develop low level applications as well as high level applications using this. Means it is having both the features of high level as well as low level languages. That's why we can say that C++ is a middle level language. And pointer concept is that that's why we can fetch memory locations. Okay, next one is portable, means we can write program on any machine and we can run that program on any other machine. It is allowed, but those two machines should have same operating system. Okay, that's why we cannot say that it is a platform independent language. It is a platform dependent but machine independent. Getting, these are all features of C++. In the next session, we will just see one example of C++ program. Means we will write one program in this C++ language, that is a hello world program, and I will explain that in depth. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye.